How to create a business website in 2025. Installing premium theme. In the previous video session, I've shown to you how simple it is to install WordPress. Now I will assume that you can log in to your new installation. Do keep in mind, through cPanel, you can always see your installation for WordPress and actually log in from cPanel as well as create backups of your installation for free. Now we can log into our site. That's great. But what's next? I have suggested to you to check out JupiterX theme. It's a premium theme that gives you 450 plus ready-made website templates. That's why it's smart to invest a bit of money to buy a premium WordPress theme instead of using the free ones. Then all you need to do is download the premium theme that you've purchased. Then log into your WordPress. You know how to do that now. And what you need to do is find Appearance menu link on the left hand side. Press on that link. Then here it says Add New Theme. And because you downloaded your premium theme, you can extract the contents of your theme. Here JupiterX has two flavors. One is JupiterX, the other one is legacy version. You want to install JupiterX. So then add new theme, upload the theme, choose a file from the folder you've downloaded and press on JupiterX.zip. The version may be different depending on when you bought it. Then press open. Then WordPress will go ahead and install your premium theme. Once that's installed, WordPress may ask you to install additional plugins that comes with JupiterX theme. Do keep in mind, your premium theme can be accessed from artbees.net if you're using Jupyter theme. You can always download your theme from here as well, because we need to activate our license. And that's a straightforward process. All you need to do is press on Activate License, place your purchase key that you got from Theme Forest, then register your theme. Because when you do that, you'll get an API key. It's basically a random key that we can insert into our WordPress JupiterX user options. Here, as we can see, I have already activated the license. At this moment, all you now need to do is this. Because the license is activated and you install your theme, press on Ready-Made Websites and choose the one that's suited for your business. You can always filter different styles. Let's imagine you want to have an e-commerce site. Then select Shop and then explore what you're seeing here. You can always preview the theme. It's a pre-made website. You can view it and say, okay, this is what I want. Great. If not, simply look at different ones, because these are pre-made themes. That's why it's very easy to install WordPress and create a website. But let's imagine you're a small business owner. Then you can say, okay, how about service type of templates? Say, okay, let's preview that one. And you can see how great is that? And this is already made for you. And we only paid a little fee to use a great looking theme like this. You see, Ranky is a fully qualified web developer. That means if I was to create a theme that's like this, with all these functionality, it would cost thousands upon thousands for my valued clients, because this is a powerful theme. Then, voila! Once you select whichever theme that you're happy with, all you need to do is press on import. What you want is, because it's a fresh installation, you want to select full import, include media as well. Even though it's copyrighted, in the next video session, I'll show you how you can easily change it to suit your business needs. That's why WordPress is popular. If you rewatch this video session, basically 4 or 5 clicks of a mouse button, you'll have a beautiful looking website ready to customize. And in the next video session, I'll show you how to do just that.